Hello everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing how to temporarily deactivate your business account on Instagram with the latest updates. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Launch the app by tapping on its icon. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on these lines to access the menu. Step 4. Scroll down the menu and find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Within the settings, you'll find an option called Account Center. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 6. In the Account Center, locate and tap on Personal Details. This will allow you to manage your personal information. Step 7. Look for the section titled Account Ownership and Control and tap on it. This section provides options related to your account. Step 8. Within the Account Ownership and Control section, you'll find the option Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it to proceed. Step 9. From the available options, select Deactivate Account and tap on Continue. This will initiate the process of temporarily deactivating your business account. Step 10. To confirm the action, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and tap on the confirmation button. By following these steps, you'll be able to successfully temporarily deactivate your business account on Instagram. Remember, this option allows you to take a break from your account without permanently deleting it.